Hello everyone. This is the continuation of the 3ds Max tutorial. So this is the fifth part of the editable poly modeling. So I hope you are enjoying this part. So as you can see, I go for the perspective view, and then I will take a box and convert it to editable poly. So the editable poly is consist of the five components: vertex, segments, border, polygon, and the element. So we covered most of them previously. So the vertex is the crossing point of the of a model. It's a point, and edge is the line of the just I'm selecting this one, the line. I'm telling this one for a kind of a recap for the previous one, and also the border, the polygon. The border you cannot select until you have a kind of a hole. So you can, if you have a hole in your 3D objects, then you can select the edges. So that is the border part that you can select. And also you have the polygon part, and so you can select the polygon just like this, and you can select the whole element. So whole elements is like a whole set of the model, one component, one entire component, like this one is another, you can say element, or component, like these two cylinders that I'm converting. Yes, I'm attaching this one. So it's like one object right now. It's attached. The polygon part is attached. Now these three elements will share the same polygonal attributes. Like you can go to the modifier list, select, see the you can select them, and whatever options you want to do, you can do. But the element part, you can select the components separately, just like in the video. These objects is made up by three elements. Sometimes you can you have to be maybe modify one of the components, or kind of um, requirement of this functionality. So as you can see, sometimes maybe we can have a little bit of modification. So in this part, uh, like you can yeah, do some sort of modification for one part of the model. So that's why the 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 element part is necessary. And otherwise you can select the other, like polygon, you select this one, this one, this one, this one, no problem, and this one also, so no problem, you can select them separately. So this is the basic functionality of the editable poly modeling. And also, um, what you can do is, let's say, yeah, the components can be separated with the editable poly element part. And then yeah, you can do that. see, I am removing the cap of the objects, and then you can select the caps just like the element. You can select this one, and also this one. See, so it's like acting like a one object of the one object or a one model with the combination of three elements. So you can see, you can select all of them according to your needs. Actually, I am showing you the the most basic operations and most basic fundamentals of the editable poly option in 3ds Max. So what else? uh, okay, you see, there is a thing I want to discuss about that. Yeah, if I apply a modifier, you see, when I select the whole components, that you see the inner part is a dark red and the outer part is a lighter red. You can see when you click select all the things, you can see the inner part is a bit red and the outer part is a lighter red. So why is that? Because of the polygon has two faces. One is inner face and one is outer face. Sometimes what happens is the outer parts come out by accidentally, which is, you see, this is the inner part is dark red, and this the outer part is bright red. Sometimes by modeling, this could be come out accidentally, and it can create an issue with the texture creation and applying modifier. If you don't put a careful eye on this part, this can be create a very much disturbing issue in the future of the finalization of the model. So you see the inner part is dark red, outer part is a lighter red. So sometimes it happens, actually sometimes it happens. You see, I'm selecting the polygons. So let's say I'm just applying one modifier for this one, is just like normal. Yeah, you see the flip normal. As soon as I apply the flip normal, as you can see here, convert to editable poly, as you can see, this time look at the cylinder. The cylinder outer part is dark, but inner part is the brighter red. Outer part is dark red. So what happens? What happens is the cylinders meshes are flipped. Okay, you don't look at the small cylinder. It's okay. Always remember, the outer part should be brighter red, but the inner part should be darker red. Okay, so this is the basic fundamentals of the editable poly option. So sometimes you find this kind of issues is very annoying. This kind of issues is with the material, with a very experienced eye you can detect, but with the material you always you need to go for select the whole components, and then you can identify that what is the issue. Okay, what is the issue? then how can we fix that? This is a very this can be complex when you have a very very big model, very complex model, very a model that is required days to complete. You know what I'm talking about. It's a very big complex model, and one or two elements is flipped, then it can create issues with applying modifier and applying the kind of texture. So what will happen is the texture and the modi is and the the materials will all be flipped. As soon as I apply the normal modifier, you see what happens. That happens is the cylinder is fixed. It's flipped its normal part. You can see the tick mark is there. The flip normal. So it's like, you know, now you can convert to editable poly, and you can tell that yes, the model is okay. The model is okay. You can tell by selecting the the components or the elements all the same. Okay, the inner part should be dark red. The inner part should be dark red. The outer part should be brighter red. So that is the main principle. That is the main principle, guys. You remember this one. Okay, even I put the caps on that, then if you select them all, see, now you can tell that this model is okay. This model is okay for texturing. This model is okay for material editing and all the things. This is okay. Okay, so this is I actually it's a tips for 3D editable poly modeling. Editable poly modeling is the most advanced form of modeling option, but this is a very normal option. Sometimes when you are doing the mirror, and when you are doing kind of advanced operation in the editable poly, sometimes these issues can happen, and at the end, if you notice this one, this can be a very hectic part, that oh my god, now I have to redo again all the things. So this is the part 5 about this troubleshooting. So guys, I think I am coming in the end section, so you just keep doing practicing, and if you face any issues, you can comment on my section, on my option. So no problem. You even I'm happy if you contact with me personally, and show me the issues, so I can help you with the 3ds Max modeling part, poly modeling part. So this is actually very handy part. So thank you very much. Thank you for support, and thank you for everything.